Hey there, it's Brittany. I'm back with a really fast unboxing from Bracelet.Street, USA. I got some 1mm leather cord from their Etsy shop. So I did a video on them, I want to say like 2020, and I've been using their leather ever since because I bought a bunch back then, but I realized I didn't have a lot of 1mm. So that's all I got this time. And I just wanted to show you the colors in case you were thinking about, you know, what do they look like in your hand versus what do they look like on Etsy. And for the most part, they're pretty much the same color. So this one is natural green. I didn't get every color they have, but I got quite a few because I'm obsessed with making those 1mm leather bracelets right now. So anyway, natural green, really love that. Distressed teal, very dark, but still very beautiful. Turquoise, of course, we can not get turquoise. Gorgeous. Goes with a lot of the nice beads from the bargain bead box this month. Purple, light purple actually, and they included this. Cindy, who is really sweet, included this in the box, and they ship so quickly. So beautiful purple. This one's natural violet. So a lot of these I got in 3 yards because I wanted to test the color. I didn't want to get like a ton of the length in case I didn't love the color, but so far I'm liking all these colors. This one's called Artistic Pink. So it's black and pink, and I kind of thought that it would be shorter sections of black, but I actually really like it. I think this would really be nice with braiding or macrame or knotting. It would show off that that variation a little bit more. Dark brown. I got several browns, so I just kind of wanted to see what they looked like. Dark brown is really nice. A little kind of distressed a little bit. Then we have natural antique brown. So this one's very dark. It's actually darker than dark brown. It's got a little hint of red in there, but it's not red. Then we have natural light brown. So like a nice lighter brown color. Then I got 10 yards of the distressed brown. Just like a roan color. It's really nice. This is what the color I think of when I think of like brown and Southwest like leather pieces. This is what I think of. And then I got 10 yards also of the Gypsy Sippa, just because I really loved this the last time I got the leather from them. It's black and brown like kind of mixed together, and I just love it. It looks so great. And the cool thing is since it's black and brown, you can use it with black or brown leading beads. Perfect. So I told you, so quick. It's been like 3 minutes. Check them out, Bracelet.Street USA. Check them out. I'll include a link to their Etsy shop down below. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. You sleepy? Of course you are. You're always sleepy. Look at that face. He's so cute. We love you.